In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Among Us account creation error. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. An unstable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection can prevent Among Us from creating or signing into an account. Try switching networks or restarting your router, then attempt to sign in again. Next, make sure Among Us is updated to latest version. Open Play Store or App Store and search Among Us. If you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Older versions of the game may have locking issues. If the problem continues, check your device, date and time. For that, open Settings. Now go to General Management. Here find the option of Date and Time. Toggle on the option of Automatic Date and Time and toggle on the option of Automatic Time Zone. Next, if you're using VPN, turn it off before trying again, as VPN connections can sometimes interfere with the account login process. If you still cannot create the account, then you want to clear the Among Us cache. For that, long press on Among Us, tap on this app info icon. Now this will take you to app settings. Here look for the option of storage. Now tap on clear cache. After that is done, open Among Us and check. If that doesn't work, you can simply uninstall the Among Us app and install it again from Play Store or App Store. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.